Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chevy Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.